Hello, my friend, Stephanie Bernard at the Stamps of Life, and it is time for me to share the Stampin' Die Hard Club set. Now, I love this one because it makes me hungry. I am telling you, it really does. Here we go. It is called Chips Galore. And let me just tell you, I need some salsa or guacamole right about now. Now, the cool thing though is I made it so you get to decide what's in that bowl. Is it guacamole? Is it cheese dip? Is it salsa? Is it something else? I don't know. You get to decide. And how fun is this? Thanks for being chip-endable. Get it? Dependable. Look at this little chip. Now, I sometimes like faces on my stamps, but sometimes I don't. So guess what, my friends? I gave you both options. One without the face, or I gave you the face separate and the arms separate so you can add the face and arms if you want. More options means you're going to use it more often, right? Here we go. We have a little chip with dip on it. We have a chip over here with dip on it. We have a little extra little spot, so that can go on top of that one if you want to. So much fun. Your nacho average friend. We have the best friend chip. Sorry, I was a dip. Just in case so, I don't tell you enough. I value our friend chip. Just dipping in to say hello. Now, Stamp Club members, you're getting this sent to you automatically for only $13.99 a month or less, depending on when you joined. If you joined earlier, you got an even less deal because once you join the club, you are locked in at that price. You are grandfathered in. As long as you keep your club membership current, you are locked in at that price. So there's the stamp set. But of course, you know, there's a lot of us, me included, that are not going to get my scissors out and try to cut these images, right? So that's why we have the Die Hard Club. It's the same stamps as the Stamp Club, but the dies that match. Now, you will notice I give you the inside and the shadow dies. That's very unique to the Stamps of Life. I like you to have different options. Again, the more options you have, the more times you will use them, right? So you get the inside die or the outside die to make a shadow. So you get to decide, do you want a shadow on your image or no shadow? So you get options, right? I have all the chips here, but I included an extra potato chip because there's another set coming that adds on to this. And you'll notice this little rectangle. That is actually for an add-on set that I was able to throw in here so you didn't have to buy that separately. So that is the set for the Stampin' Die Hard Club. Of course, you're getting a handy dandy postcard to show you some ideas, but there's tons more ideas on our website, right? Now let's jump in and look at some of the samples because they're so much fun. This is actually a sneak peek to my next video, but I love how cute this one is. It says, sorry, I was a dip. And look at that. Look how cute that is. Your nacho average friend. Isn't that cute? A little bit of a sneak peek on that one. This one I love. Look at those cute little eyes and arms on that those little chips. Just in case so I don't tell you enough, we have the best friend chip. Look at that fun sombrero. Chances are you already have that sombrero in your stash. It's one of ours. We brought it out a couple years ago. Go get it out again and add it to these chips, right? Now, here we go. Oh, look at this one. Chip happens. Have a chip-tastic day. Look at that salsa. I'm telling you, I'm getting hungry. I bet you're getting hungry too. Ooh, look at this one. I love when we make our own background paper with just those sentiments. How fun is that? Again, that salsa is making me hungry. Ooh, here's some queso dip too. Look at that. Just dipping in to say hello. Adding in a little taco stamp from one of our other stamp sets, which is really fun. That's from the Pinata stamp set. And look at how cute that is. You're the dip to my chip. Another sneak peek. So, my friends, if you're in the Stamper Die Hard Club, you get to sit back, relax, and know Ken has already got this in the mail to you. If you are not in the Stamper Die Hard Club, now is your chance to join. You can be a club member for as little as $13.99 a month, and that includes a brand new stamp set each month. With that club membership, you are also getting a 15% discount on every single item you buy on my website every single day, every single item, every single order, and you're earning club points. And if you stay in a full year on your anniversary, you get a $15 gift certificate to our website. It's like we're paying you to be our friends. Yeah, right? Go check it out, stampsoflife.com. I'll see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching this video. You know what? If you would like to see more inspiration, I need you to click that little button there. If you want to visit our website, click right here. And if you want to subscribe to our YouTube channel, make sure you click right here because you know what? You're not going to want to miss a thing. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.